Hi everybody! Tonight we are going to be showing you how to make salt dough holiday edition. So this is definitely my favorite craft because it combines baking and painting. So we're going to create a dough and you can sculpt anything you want out of it. It can be food, it can be holiday, it can be whatever you want. This is what it looks like when it is baked and ready to be painted. Now if you don't have paint, you can add some cinnamon to it and it has like a cool cookie looking texture to it. But if you have paint, acrylic is the best and you can decorate your salt dough however you want. If you want to make it into an ornament, you can hot glue some ribbon to the back of it and or you can put a hole in it. So I'm going to try to show you this without knocking the whole thing over. But these little cookies have holes popped in them so we can hang them as an ornament. So my 3 kids are going to come on in and help us tonight and show you guys the recipe. You're just going to need some flour, some salt, some water, and your imagination. Here we go. For this recipe, you are going to need 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of water, and 1 cup of salt. Now, this is all edible, but it tastes really gross, so don't try it. It has a lot of salt in it. All right, then go ahead and just mix it up. And when it starts to look like dough, you can use your hands and kind of squeeze it and knead it together. Okay, cool. So it's starting to look like dough, so that means we are ready to start making some creations. What I'm going to show you guys is some simple stuff. So, like how to make some candy canes and how to make cookies with cookie cutters. So it's all ready. It's kind of doughy and squishy. If you're going to use a cookie cutter, just throw a little flour on your table and you can kind of mash it out or use a rolling pin. And then just go ahead and use whatever shape you want to cut out some salt dough, some little hearts. Now I'll show you guys how I did the kolachki. I just cut out a flower shape and just pushed my finger into the center there, and then when I went in with the paint, I just painted it like it had a little jelly filling. Okay, so to make the candy cane, you're just gonna take a lump of that salt dough and kind of roll it out into a coil, a long skinny coil, and then I like to cut the ends just to flatten them out. And then it's so simple, just make a little hook and you've got a candy cane. Another thing you could do with the coil is make a lollipop. So this one's not painted yet. You're gonna roll it out and then start coiling up your clay to make your candy cane. And then I just rip the end off there and then reattach it to make a cute little lollipop. Okay, these are ready to go in the oven. Okay, our creations are done. So go ahead and put them on a cookie sheet and you're gonna bake them in the oven for about 2.5 hours at 200 degrees. And then if you are painting them, they are ready to paint. So maybe you'll come up with a little teeny tiny cup of hot chocolate or a yummy donut. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with.